WordPress powers millions of websites, from bloggers and small businesses to massive news sites and companies. Before we start developing, it's important to understand the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org and which might be the best fit for your website project. WordPress.org and WordPress.com are both WordPress services, but they offer different experiences. Let's take a look. The same WordPress software powers both WordPress.com and WordPress.org sites. The easiest way to tell the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org is to remember that .org provides advanced customization and monetization options. WordPress.com gives users a quick and easy way to get started for free and can expand to more custom-paid options as they grow. One of the main differences is how your website is hosted. Web hosting is a service that allows your website to be published and accessible on the internet. When you think of WordPress.com, you can think of it more like a hotel, where all sorts of things are provided for you. You don't need to clean, you don't need to choose the decorations, you can order food right from your room. It's an easy setup, but you can't really customize the way the room is laid out or the color of the building. WordPress.org, however, is more like a personal home. You will have the ability to fully customize all aspects of the space. It might be a little bit more work because you'll need to choose the paint color, the configuration of the rooms, the type of furniture you want to have in there, etc., but it's fully customizable. WordPress.com includes managed hosting, which helps optimize your website for speed, security, and performance. Managed hosting takes care of many technical aspects of the site for you. WordPress.com has many plans with increasingly powerful features for different site types and budgets. In addition, updates are managed automatically. You will have access to some themes and plugins, and you can do a little bit of CSS editing on some of the higher tiered plans. In addition, security and backups are taken care of, and it's not really necessary to have technical knowledge. You can download the WordPress source code for free with WordPress.org. Then you'll need to upload it to a hosting provider of your choice. Going this route is also called self-hosting WordPress. This option doesn't include hosting, so you'll need to find and pay for separate hosting and be more involved on the technical side to build and maintain your website effectively. In addition, you'll have access to thousands of free themes and plugins as well as paid options. You also have access to all of the code, so you have full developer control and customization. You'll be responsible for site security and backups, and this version of WordPress is going to require some technical knowledge. No matter the reason for needing a content management system, WordPress has options for every need. There are certain situations that warrant using a self-hosted option. If you're a blogger or business owner selling products or services, you're best sticking with a self-hosted website through WordPress.org. Although e-commerce plans do exist with WordPress.com, you really can't beat the customization options available with WordPress.org for an online store or a more involved website. If you just want a free website to experiment with and you don't need customization or a huge choice of plugins, then WordPress.com might be a better choice for you. In this course, we will be working with WordPress.org. We're going to be interested in fully customizing our websites and having as much control as possible with how the website works, the look and feel, and other interactions.